Hello guys, welcome back to Chris Hairstyle. So this is another Locs video. We are actually doing it again, and these Locs right here are handmade and it is made by me. So you can actually order these Locs from me. I'm based in Douala, Cameroon, so I will leave my WhatsApp number in the description box. In case you need it, just go ahead and WhatsApp me and I will send it to you. So guys, I have a video on my channel showing you how to make these Locs. So if you want to make yours at home, you can go and watch that video and learn how to make it for yourself, for your loved ones, and you can also monetize it. Why not? And make some money from it, guys. So if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please just go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of this channel, this family. Let's do it together. Subscribe to me, to this video, to this channel. In fact, subscribe to you. We are doing it together, guys. We are making the world a better place. Yes. So you can go check out the other video that I show you how to make these Locs at home. The video is actually very detailed, so after watching the video you will understand everything. So guys, these Locs I'm actually installing on her hair right now. It's a Loc she bought a long time ago. It's like over 2 years that she has been using these Locs, and that is one advantage with these Locs. It's durable. She has like installed it on her hair many times, and the Locs are still actually looking good, like they're looking beautiful. So let's go right into the video. Right here I go ahead and section the hair into 3. So the Locs, I'm actually detangling it right now because, like I said, she's used it many times. So I'm actually sectioning the Locs extension into 3 equal parts, and there we go, and braid it down to the hair that has also been sectioned into 3 equal parts. So it's the normal braiding style. So you just go in and braid the hair as usual. So guys, I have a video on my channel showing you how to install these Locs, and you guys really love that video because the video is really doing well. So that is why I'm showing you another way of how to do the Locs or install the Loc again in this video. So guys, if you need these Locs, they are handmade. I'm based in Douala, Cameroon. These Locs are handmade by me. You can go ahead and order it from me and I'll send it to you. So I'll leave my contact in the description box, so if you need it, go ahead and contact me and these Locs will be yours. I have many other like designs, models of these Locs, different colors, sizes and shape of it. So guys, we just basically do the same thing throughout. So on the hair I'm adding edge control. I'm using Jam and Shine hair control. So I add hair control to the hair extension here, and I go ahead and braid, guys. So please just make sure to watch this video right to the end in order not to miss any part, because they are along the video I really do give some very important instructions that you have to follow while doing this in order to get the perfect Locs installation. So guys, don't skip any part of this video. Watch the video to the end, and if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, comment in this, give me your reviews of whether you like it or not in the comment section, and guys, share this video. Like, let whoever needs to watch this video watch it. Share the video, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, hey, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button To be a full member of this family, we are making the world a better place. So you have to make this channel a better place by subscribing. Yeah. So guys, thank you all for your support. Thank you for supporting me. So behind here, the hair were actually big. The way I parted it was big, so I had to shear it into two, because when it's too big it's difficult to use the crochet pin to hide the hair inside the lock. So that's why I divide it into two. That way it becomes easier to like insert the hair into the locks. So that is because she has much hair, she has a lot of hair. So when you are doing or installing this lock for somebody that has a lot of hair and the hair is actually big, like, you have to do this method in order not to stress yourself while installing it. But if the person's hair is actually scanty or not too much, then you don't need to do that. You just go ahead and braid it into one. So guys, that's why I say you should watch the video to the end, because you have to understand all these tricks and the instructions that I'm giving that follow how to install it, so that should in case if you are installing it on yourself or on somebody, you will know what you are doing and you'll be doing everything like perfectly good, guys. So here is the final look, though we are not yet done, because you can see her natural hair, the braided part, still flying outside or hanging outside. So let's go to the step 2 of this video. That's the tucking in part. So let's tuck the hair into the locks. So just basically insert your crochet pin in your locks, put the hair in the loop, close it and pull it over as I'm doing. You insert your crochet pin in the locks, guys. When the hair, the braided part is too big, like fat, I don't insert the crochet pin like at the middle. I just do it at the corner so that it will be easy to pull through. Yes, but when the hair is thin, you can insert it even in the middle. It won't be a problem. So guys, this is the trick. Did you see that? This is so beautiful, guys, and this hair is so durable. Like, you can wear it for as long as you want, and you can actually wash your hair with the locks on. But that needs to be done by somebody who knows what he or she is doing, because it needs to be done with care and done very well too. So guys, we just go ahead, the same process continuing. Insert the pin, the hair, and pull through. That one didn't fit in very well because we want to completely hide all the hair. You see that? So that's it, guys. See how lovely it is. Okay, so we are done. Go ahead and apply mousse, styling mousse, to like slick down every flying hair, and also spray the shine spray to make everything shining and fine, like to have that beautiful finishing. So guys, see how lovely this hair is. I'm going to do another video showing you how you can style this. Like, this hair, you can basically style it in many ways, and guys, see how beautiful and clean it is. Oh my god, this is so lovely. I'll make another video showing you how to style it. So guys, thank you for watching. If you're not yet subscribed, please do subscribe and stay blessed.